Let's take a closer look at the Arrange tool. This is the tool you use to position, resize, rotate, and organize layers. To move a layer, you can simply drag it. If you press and hold the Command key, you can click to select multiple layers on the canvas. And if you lock the background layer, you can also easily drag to select multiple layers. With a few different layers selected, you can align and distribute them using the buttons in the Tool Options pane. To make it easier to position a number of different layers more precisely, you can also use rulers and alignment guides. To see the rulers, choose Show Rulers from the View menu. Then, to add a guide, you can simply drag it out from a ruler. You can also add guides by double-clicking a ruler and entering the exact position of your new guide. Now, when you move any objects, they will snap to your guides with pixel-perfect precision. Another great feature of the Arrange tool is automatic layer selection. It's on by default, but sometimes you might want to turn it off to make it easier to move objects behind other objects. With Auto Select turned off, you'll need to make sure to select every layer in the layer sidebar before moving it on the canvas. Also, you can click the Transform button at the bottom to find options for transforming layers.